Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
A causal agent creating and controlling things in the universe. The laws of nature. A particular type of thing. He's interested in trains and things of that nature. The complex of emotional and intellectual attributes that determine a person's characteristic actions and reactions. It is his nature to help others. The essential qualities or characteristics by which something is recognized. It is the nature of fire to burn. The natural physical world including plants and animals and landscapes, etc. They tried to preserve nature as they found it.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.